Welcome to the next steps in securing your property purchase. Once you've reached an agreement on the sale, a seamless process awaits you. Let's walk through the essential stages. To initiate the process, kindly provide us with clear copies of your passport, proof of address, evidence of your funds, and your solicitor details. Our online ID verification platform Smart Search simplifies identity verification. By responding to a few straightforward questions, taking an image of your ID or passport, and taking a selfie, you are on track. Once the Smart Search is complete, we will send you the link for the reservation fee and arrange a consumer court call in person or via video call. Upon successful payment of the reservation fee, you will receive the reservation form. At this point, legal representative will take the lead, guiding you through the exchange and completion process. Congratulations, your journey to property ownership is well underway. Our dedicated team are here to ensure a smooth and secure experience. For any further inquiries, feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing Barratt London as your property partner.